Guys, this is Doug with Fix It, and we have a BMW E46 330, and you can see that badge on the bonnet is worn pretty bad. It's been on this car for 18 years of wear, through rain, through snow, through winters, through summers, and if you have a quick close-up, it's looking pretty bad. Right, so we're going to remove this. I'm going to show you how we can remove this from the car without damaging it or scratching it. And I've got my replacement badge. It cost about £5 off eBay. Pretty much the same thing, plastic. So there's two pins, you can see, plastic holding it in place. So we need to pry the other one off without damaging it. And the way that I kind of have started doing that is basically from the bottom here, and using like a kitchen towel or a thick cloth, like a not too thick cloth, but like this thick maybe, and just prying, just getting this in here, and just gradually just easing it all the way. Remember, the pins are here, so just working it, and then from the top. It's very difficult to get it in from this side, so using a plastic tool so we don't scratch it, not no metal screwdrivers or anything, and gradually just try and work your way to the sides and just lever it out slowly, piece by piece, and then a bit from the top, and just keep going, and it will start to come off. And then what we'll do is we'll give it a clean and replace it with the new one. Yeah, okay, give us a sec. And as I've been working around it, you can see it's actually starting to come loose. It's really been stuck on there. So 18 years of stuck to the bonnet of this car. Yeah, so just keep working it gradually all the way around. So just like that. Then on the other side, just where the pins are, remember that. It isn't easy, I've got to admit. We'll try not to scratch the car as well. Just keep going, ingress, and it will keep. And you kind of get to the point where you can actually get your fingers under there, so you can see now. Just keep working it. Oh, there you go. So it's out. There's the old one. Just flew off in the end. There's a new one, and you can see there's these little rubber grommets. I actually don't have replacements, but if you can get replacement for these as well, you can get them off eBay for £2. I haven't actually done that. These little rubber grommets, take them out as well. What we'll do is we'll give it a good clean. Right, so give us a sec. So what we're going to do is give it a quick clean. Just some soapy water. Remember, it's been on there for so long. You just want to wipe it down. Give it a bit of that's it. You can see there's something stamped on it. This is a 2003 330. Picked up a little while back. Absolutely loving it. Needs a little work here and there, but yeah. So that's nice and clean. If you can get these out, probably would be good. They're like plastic. To be honest, these little plastic or rubber grommets, they look pretty new, they're in good nick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the badge and push it on. So the badge, okay, I got it for £5. How about that? So let me just show you the old one again. Where did I put it? That's the difference. So a quick little swap over and we'll be good. So remember, just ease it back in, align it with the things, and just push it on. And there you go, brand new, right? It looks pretty, it's already on there pretty well, pretty tight. So there you go, job done. How about that? Thanks for watching. Please sub the channel, please like the videos. Catch you guys in the next one.